Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this late Tuesday night, almost about 10:30. Looking at Providence now under partly cloudy skies. It's a quiet night. We've got temperatures at last check as of the 10 o'clock, almost 11 o'clock hour, mostly in the middle 50s. Low to mid 50s, 53 Coventry, Providence 55, looking at 56 New Bedford. I see the arrows. We maintain this east-northeasterly breeze off the ocean, and what it's doing is just kind of adding some extra humidity in the low levels of the atmosphere. And when the atmosphere cools down like it is now, late at night, early in the morning, that moisture condenses. So what will happen is we'll start to see some low clouds and a little bit of fog developing during the overnight. That'll spill over into early on Wednesday morning. The average high for this time of year is about 70, and we're pretty close to that on Wednesday afternoon. Note the moderation though, Thursday, Friday, and on into Saturday, getting up into the lower to middle 70s, and then a slightly cooler on Sunday. But temperatures at least heading in the right direction towards the end of the week. Our satellite and radar composite pretty quiet across New England. We've got an area of low pressure. You can see it east of the Carolinas. That's staying away, moving offshore. And this cold front approaching from the west. But this is actually weakening, and we're really not anticipating any precipitation from it as it makes its approach later on Wednesday into Wednesday night. In the meantime, we still have this persistent easterly breeze, very light. And all it's doing here, of course, is coming in off the ocean. It's been doing this now for days, this easterly breeze, and it's just maintaining some extra humidity in the atmosphere and some clouds and fog forming overnight as a result of it. So on Wednesday morning, early morning clouds and fog giving way, lifting to partly cloudy skies. So once again, much like what we had on Tuesday, as we transition into the mid to late morning hours, it's kind of a cloud-sun mix. I mean, anything you need to have to do outdoors, whether it's work or maybe just kind of having fun, maybe a little apple picking, it looks okay. A mix of clouds and some sun. Temperatures topping out in the upper 60s and staying on the dry side. A bay forecast. Visibility briefly reduced around daybreak in some patchy fog at 1 to 3 miles. But as we get towards 9 in the morning, it's essentially becoming unlimited. All right, 7-day forecast. Looking at, again, that cloud-sun mix on Wednesday after some early morning fog. Look how nice it is on Thursday and Friday. It's brighter, and the net result will be milder temperatures. At this point, Saturday actually looks like a decent day. I wouldn't cancel anything or rearrange any outdoor activities. There is the chance of a brief passing shower, but most of the day actually looks mild and dry. 73, sunshine on Sunday with temps in the upper 60s. Next chance for precipitation Monday and Tuesday of next week.